The vignette filter is a great way to highlight your subject. By adding just a little bit of darkness around the edges, you can really bring the viewer's eye into your subject. But what's even better is that we have so much control in this particular vignette filter. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the things that we can do to enhance this particular image. We're going to go in and start with the amount slider. And if you're starting out at the very beginning here, I'd recommend moving that amount slider all the way to the left. This is so that we can see what effects the other options have available for us. And what we're going to do here is reduce the size so that we can really highlight the duck itself. And because we can go from a rectangle to a circle, we're going to do an oval so that we can really highlight the duck and some of the water around it. Now, feathering will create a hard edge, or in this case, we're going to make a nice smooth transition by moving that slider all the way to the right. This gives it a more natural effect. Okay, here's where the fun comes in. We can go ahead and place the center. So by default, that highlighted center area is in the center of the photo, but we're going to move it by simply clicking on the Place Center button. Click on your subject, and there we go. We can move it right to the center there. Next step is we're going to go ahead and pull back that amount slider. Remember how we moved it all the way to the left to see all the effects? Now we're going to move it back so that we just see a slight vignette around the edges. Be sure to turn your before and after visibility icon on and off so you can see what the effect is doing. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that with bright areas, our eyes tend to go to the brighter areas. And this is where we're going to add a little bit of inner light. This little slider here, you can really increase it a lot or just give it a little boost of brightness, and this will help really highlight our subject. If you want to see any more information on any of our other filters or get more detailed information, simply go to the Help menu and choose User Guide.